everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you an art supply haul. Everything comes from Arteza, which I am really impressed with this company. I was sent everything for free, and I do have a coupon code for you guys to save when you make a purchase, so I'll link that in the description box below. Now this is not a paid sponsored video, but I did receive everything, so I just wanted to make you aware of that. Now the links are for Europe and also the U.S. if you want to make a purchase. I'm really impressed because I did notice that on the back of every product there is a guarantee. If your product does not perform, you just contact them for a replacement, which I'm really impressed by that. So first up is these water brush sets, which I am like really impressed because it has this push button for you to dispense the water when you're doing your watercolors. So I can't wait to try this. And there's like 2 different styles of your water brushes inside. There's 3 per style brush, and there's small, medium, and large. So really cool there. And I also noticed that there's a club that you can save 20% off your next purchase on the back when you do the QR reader. So I'm going to try that. And then next I have the 36 watercolors, which I think is really cool in this little tin pan. So I'm going to open that up and try that out. And then I was really excited about this, the 48 count of the real brush pens. So I was always wanting to try this other company. I think it's called Zig, and they're really expensive. But when I went on to see how much these were really affordable. So I can't wait to try those. And then I have the 72 watercolor pencils, and it says expert. These say premium, so these are some really good quality products. Everything has the guarantee, even their watercolor paper. This is a 32 sheet watercolor pad, and it's 9 inch by 12, 140 pound weight, and this also has the guarantee on the pad as well. And I've even had other companies, they don't even guarantee their paper. So I'm just really amazed and impressed by everything has the guarantee. So I'm going to get started and try out some of these products, and I'll make a card and I'll also demo all the colors. Okay, I'm going to test out the real brush markers, and when you take them out the container it looks like this, and they come with this push water brush, and I'll show you the trays. They come in trays like this, and the colors are already in some type of order when you get them out. So I'm just going to test them out and see how I like them and let you know. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit because it's going to take a while to put them all on the paper, and I'll see how it works. Okay, here's my finished card. It turned out really cute. I love how the markers blend, and it does give that watercolor effect. So there were some tips that I researched before trying out the markers, and I have to say that the other reviewers were on point with some of the helpful tips, so I'm going to pass those on to you guys. If you saw my video in the beginning, I was you know, putting down the pigment, and then I would, you know, use the water brush immediately. And then I discovered that you can go back after it dried and then use the water brush and spread out the pigment. So you can do that either or. And then there was also some tips that you can dip the marker in the water and use it as a lighter color, almost like those, I hope I'm saying this right, I don't own them, but the chameleon pens, and get a lighter look. So that worked as well. So it takes a learning curve to get used to the markers. I do like the vibrant colors with the marker, so you don't have to use it as a watercolor pen. They're really bright and beautiful, just putting the marker color down. So it's really up to you how you want to use them, but I really loved how the color spread on the paper. So it's really your choice. So I give it a thumbs up, especially for beginner crafters. If you're on a budget, these are very affordable. I couldn't afford the Zig markers, so I never really got them. I don't have them to compare, but definitely if I was in the market for getting these type markers, I would highly recommend these first, especially if you're on a budget. I would get them. And I'm not just saying that because, you know, I got these for free. I definitely see a good bargain here. When I went to research, you know, the prices for the different markers, these were highly recommended, especially as far as the price. And then I saw, you know, in the beginning of my video, the guarantee they stand behind their products. So if you have a problem, you can call them up and they will replace them. So I really, really love that as far as them guaranteeing all their products. That's on every single one of the products that I shared in this video. So really love that about, you know, this company, that they guarantee their products. So you don't see too much of that on craft products that they guarantee. So highly recommend them. Here's my card and how it turned out after I did the watercolor and then I put it together. So hope you like it, and that I did a good job in demoing the product. I will be back to share the watercolor pencils as well as the watercolor palette that I received. So that's it for this video. I hope I helped you in deciding if this set was for you. But yeah, I really love this set, so I'm glad to have it in my collection. So I hope this video helped you. Links are in the description box below if you want to pick up this set, as well as the discount code. I think it's for a limited time, so check the date of this video and how long it's good for the discount. And take care, everyone, and I hope you have a fabulous day.